Alright, man, I'm ready. Hit it.
Yep. I'm playing games. Alright, launch it now. I'm playing games.
Wow. Man. What a fail.
Yeah, boy.
Failure. That did not work.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna make it again. No, mommy's not here, boy.
And hit it.
Alright,
TNT Explosion.
Let's go. The heck? Ah, shit. I missed the target.
Damn, man. You missed the target? You suck. Aim it. And go. TNT Explosion. Try 3. Man, you really missed the target. Damn, that thing flew way the hell out there.
Oh, man. We're gonna try it again.
Okay, wait. And go. TNT Explosion. Test 4.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, then blow that thing up. Woo! Man! Are you serious?
What the hell didn't work?
You missed it again.
Where it went?
It's the 4th time you missed the target, man. I think it exploded too soon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Alright, let me compress this one.
Knife? The hell?
No! It's exploding and I'm not getting it on camera! Man!
It shouldn't be.
I'm trying, it's lagging too bad, man. I started recording and then now I'm still in the pause menu. There, guys, YouTube, you can see it back there in the background. My 1 frame rate per minute.
Total fail, man.
Man, this is gonna crash the server.
Man, it's so stupid.
It is. Oh, man. Why did you start it?
Man, I didn't do it on purpose, man.
Yeah. Wait, did you log off?
Yeah, I logged off and logged in.
Oh man, are you watching it? Oh, there we go, there we go. Now there's some nice explosion for you. Mmm, sexy.
Oh man, we just lost it all.
Hey man, I'm getting it somewhat. What my frame rate per hour is letting me. My FPH. Damn, man. This is crazy. I'm just sitting here not being able to move at all. I should have gotten further away, man, so that I could actually move.
Man, it's just that good. I wasn't there to enjoy the shit, man. Damn.
You know what you should do just to piss people off? You should start your own server, and then whenever you get a ton of people on it, do something like this to where it lags out the entire server, man.
Alright, you wanna try it?
Yeah, sure. Let's try lagging
right
out
now,
the server.
Is the map loading for you?
It's still blowing up. Kind of.
Whoa.
I can hear it, but I'm not seeing it. Been staring at the same picture for the past umpteen minutes.
Sounds like I can't see anything, man.
And I'm looking forward to see what this is gonna look like after they're all done blowing up, man. This is gonna be crazy.
Alright.
Damn, man.
shit.
There's like TNT flying in the air over there.
Whoa, yeah, I saw that.
Whoa, man. You look down a little bit. Oh, man, it's still blowing up. It hasn't even gotten to that big thing over there yet.
And it's lagging like this. Man, it's crazy.
Man. Damn, man.
Fucked up.
Man, you know what we should do?
But
We should get a hack to where we can spawn stuff even when we're not OP on a server, man.
and you want to crash it, right?
Yes, rig, like, no, get one of those free build creative servers, man, with the towns and cities and everything, the beautiful sceneries, rig it all with TNT when everybody goes offline. Man, that would be a beauty.
Okay, man. Should we find that kind of software right now?
Yeah, man, look it up, just while this thing's lagging.
Yeah.
That'd be pretty sick. It would be the best grief ever.
Yeah.
Man, also, you know what we should do is tell someone to, like, say they built this giant thing that they were so proud of, and tell them, hey, look at it for a minute. And then we flip a switch and it blows up.
Yeah,
Man, that would be awesome. Talk about getting banned.
All right, man. I think I found it.